In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display language in Google Sheets without breaking data. Let's start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once it loads, click the recent spreadsheet you want to work with so it opens on screen. Take a moment to look at the top menu bar and confirm that it shows File, Edit, and View. Now glance at the sample data inside the sheet. You should see two due date labels, two numeric amounts, and a set of formula results sitting in the formula check column. Keep these in mind because we'll check that they stay exactly the same at the end. Now we'll open the spreadsheet settings, but we're going to be careful not to touch anything that changes your data. Click File in the top menu bar. Then move down toward the bottom of the File menu and click Settings. When the Settings dialog appears, stay right where you are on the General tab. Look at the two options labeled Locale and Time Zone, but do not change either dropdown. This is important because Locale is the data format setting. Leaving it untouched protects your dates, your currency, and your number formatting. While you're still inside this same settings dialog, look near the bottom for the row labeled Display Language. In that row, you'll see a link showing your current display language. Go ahead and click that link. This will open the Google Account Language Settings page in a brand new browser tab, so wait a moment for it to fully load. Now we'll add Spanish and set it as your preferred display language. On the Google Account Language Settings page, find the language section and click Add Another Language. Next, click the search field so your cursor is active inside it. Now type the word Spanish slowly into that field, letting the search results appear. When you see Spanish in the list of language results, click it to select that language. If Google then asks you to choose a region, look through the region list and click United States. After that, click Save at the bottom of the language picker. Now, back in your language list, find Spanish and click the Move to Top arrow sitting right next to it. Take a quick look and confirm that Spanish has moved up and is now sitting at the very top of the list as your preferred language. With that done, it's time to return to your spreadsheet and make sure everything is still safe. Click the Browser tab that holds the spreadsheet named Display Language Safety Check. Once you're on that tab, click the Browser Reload button to refresh the page. Wait patiently for the spreadsheet to finish reloading completely. After it loads, look at the menus across the top. They should now appear in Spanish, so where you used to see File, you'll now see Archivo. That tells you the display language switch worked. Now, the most important check. Look carefully at the sample rows in your sheet. Confirm that the two due date labels are still there, that the two numeric amounts are unchanged, and that the formula results in the formula check column are all still present and correct. Everything should look exactly as it did before. And remember, do not open or change the Locale dropdown at any point during this final check. And that's the whole process. Your Google Sheets interface is now displayed in Spanish, while all of your spreadsheet data remains fully intact. The sample due date labels, the numeric amounts, and the formula results all stay in place. That's because you changed only the account display language, not the spreadsheet Locale setting. The language controls how the menus and buttons read, while Locale controls how your data is formatted. By keeping those two settings separate, you get a translated interface without putting any of your underlying information at risk. That's exactly the result we were after, and your spreadsheet is ready to keep working as normal.